Hi friends! In this mini lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cute little owl. And since we're learning all about lines and different types of lines, we're going to be putting line patterns on our owl's belly. So the first thing we want to do is get a piece of white paper, hold it long and tall, and make sure that if you're in class, you put your name on the back. Then we want to start up pretty high on the page, but leave a little space for your top of your owl. And I would like you to draw two big eyes, okay? Two big circle-shaped eyes. So this is going to be kind of a cartoony owl. Now, I chose to draw kind of a sleepy owl here. So to draw those kinds of eyes, I would do a line across and then a circle, a line across and a circle. But I'm going to also show you how to do some awake eyes. So you can do a circle in the middle and a circle in the middle and these little lines that go all the way out. So he is wide awake. He is a night owl. Then I want to draw my owl's beak. So this is just going to be like the letter V. Okay, right there. If you haven't gotten to the letter V yet, this is sort of like the top part of a triangle, upside down. Then we want to draw our owl's belly. So start at the bottom of the eye, and we're going to draw sort of a big rounded U shape and connect it to here. Now we want to draw some little wings for our owl. So start at the side of the eye, curve like this. Same thing over here, start at the side, curve like this. Now when we talked about lines, we talked about our zigzag line. So to make our little feet, we're going to do a zigzag line. So you're going to go down and then up, down, up, down, up. All right, and it's kind of almost like a letter M. Other foot, down, up, down, up. So I'm doing those slide lines when I go down. Okay, like when you're writing a letter X. So there I have my feet. Now I want to do my little owl's ears. All right, now this is where I can start to think about my patterns. So there's all different kinds of lines. Straight lines, zigzag lines, curly lines, dotted lines. I want to think of at least 3 different types of lines that I like, and I'm going to repeat them in a pattern. So I'm going to start with a zigzag, but you can start with any kind that you want. Then I'm going to do a curly line. Now I'm doing this in Sharpie. I'm going to recommend that you start in pencil, and then I'm going to do a dotted line. Now, since I just ended with a dotted line, I'm going to restart my pattern. So I'm going to go to a zigzag line. Lots of slide lines in those zigzag lines. Curly line, dotted line. Now once I'm done coloring, doing this in pencil, then I would retrace in black before coloring. But I don't want you to do that until next week, okay? We don't want to rush through these projects. We want to really take our time. So this is all that we're going to do today. Next week, we're going to start coloring them, and then the following week we'll be cutting them out, gluing them to paper, and adding our background. But for today, this is all we need to do. So when you're done with pencil, retrace with black.